Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hmm. Still refactoring my code. I think probably, yeah, probably finish the projectile and I think I'm going to refactor the player also. And then I finish for the refactoring. So all this code need to be inside my main class now. I also need to re-enable some rule in the test config because I disabled some rule and all my typing fix was done just to reactivate this rule, so I need to watch that also. What's this error? It's really strange. First time I see this error. I don't know. Ah, so I have my tree boolean. It's working when um, I need to see my keys. My config is perfect for that. Config. So I know I'm handling. Oh, my camera go away. Why? Don't know. Something is fucked up, I think. I'm not on the right IP, okay. Cannot see me actually. Okay, don't bother us. Don't need to see me. Um, okay. Okay, I just want to check if my mic was working. Okay, so now I have my three booleans. I'm handling if it has speed. So for example, my first bullet has speed, second also. But my fire, it don't have speed, so it shouldn't move. I guess that's what it does. Still receive the initial position, initial rotation. That's where the projectile is triggered. So now I need to handle this tick is when you have when you do. I'm doing the is trigger after first. Is trigger after is just a delay. I need to have my projectile also. I'm going to copy that somewhere else. Oh my god. That's cool. No. Okay. Let my block it's handle. My block with delay. So this is depending on the config. If I have a trigger after, if I don't have it, it's undefined. So I'm using, okay, so I just need to trigger all this code. Well, to have this code on the callback if this trigger after is set. Do I have action on collision? Yeah, I have. Layer. Something is wrong also. I'm not handling right now the collision with the effect. My action of collision is not correct. So I'm doing also this tick timer. Why am I doing that on collision? Yeah, okay, it's for my tick. I want my delay first. That's the easy one. I have an active. I'm also triggering with a boolean. Why am I doing that? Okay, so no, I'm doing something different. Yeah, I'm triggering it, but it's not a delay of the spell trigger after. It's a delay of its spelling, but it's not active. The collision doesn't handle the collision. That's what it is. So I need, yeah, I still need a boolean inside my my bullet to see if it's active. The code is not that bad. Yeah, I think it would be easy to refactor because I only need like a public. Do I need it? Oh, it's not colliding, you know. Yeah, you show it, but this active, yeah, you just remove the collision. Don't need to have action on collision and do something. just remove the collision. So maybe I don't need an active. I just need an event that's. I need something like that. I need to reset it every time. If it's triggered after, I need a callback. Duration is triggered after from my config. Yeah. So also I don't. Maybe I should have more information on that, but. So after you're done, you got the tween. Well, the problem is, yeah, after you done that, I have two events. I have my tween, okay. Yeah, I think yeah, it will work, yeah. But I need something like, you know, after the tween is done, I need a callback after my tween actually, and before. It's smarter than have like have my tween tracked and my time tracked. If I give a callback before and after, where I can just put the collision off, I don't need the scene time. Just have a look at. Because they have to have a lot of example with timer, with tween. Tween. I need callback tween on complete, yeah? On start and complete, that's what I mean. So on start and on complete, yeah. Let's try that. On start. On complete. Is when console log and you receive the tween, the target, the game object. Image, tween target. Wonder what I receive inside it. Let's think about it. So I don't start. Yeah, if I don't have. Yeah, that's the thing. Can I have like something that is trigger moving but cannot collide? Yeah, you have to be smart about it. I think for me, just the trigger after is kind of stupid name. It should be called because it's not a trigger after. Yeah, maybe it is actually. Maybe it is. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is, but it won't. It will only work for objects that don't have speed right now. Otherwise, it will trigger it, but it will be. Uh, yeah, it will move, and then it will be active after it moves. You know, that kind of stupid. For the block, it works because they don't move. But if I'm doing like a bullet that have a delay when I hit my key, it won't work. But yeah, why not all the object that is moving don't have a trigger after. So it won't cause a problem right now, but maybe it will later. So okay. So you reset the position, you do it all the time. Then you trigger after is for the code here. It should just be this body dot disable, or if I'm doing activate, it still need to be visible. It's just the body. Set enable. That enables true. So on start it's set enable false, and here it's set enable true. Why is not happy about that? Save assignment of OS. Okay. So what example I have? Figure after, so my lighting have it. My frozen, they all have it almost. My root. Okay, my root has it, have it. So okay, it's working, but the body is it's not in the right place. Body is not in the right place. Okay, so something strange happening. I don't know. The console log. Okay. So it's kind of working, but yeah, on start it's disabled. Something I don't understand. My collision is here. What's happened? I don't know. If I take my route. So the rule for my route, cooldown, the radius distance. Something strange. Doesn't have it. Don't D. Oh yeah, it's because it's not on my bullet. Yeah. It's also kind of strange. Yeah, they are both in the same. Yeah, I know because one is for the drawing of the helper, and the other is for the drawing of the real object. So this thing is just helper to draw the white uh the skill, but yeah, it's kind of repeat, but honestly, it's okay. It's okay. I don't want to refactor that. It's not a big deal. Just like my radius, I repeat it, but it's not a big deal. So okay. So my root. Okay. So I have trigger after and light span. Okay. So it's alive like 0.2 seconds. Yeah, it's enough. It's enough to deal damage. But see, like it's like I have my collision is not don't work. Yeah, the disable my collision is I remove that. I just have a tween for the visual effect. Yeah, no, it's follow my collision correctly. But it really seems to look like it's just enable and disable it that cause the offset of the collision. So maybe I need to. That's strange. Why is just disable and enable? I don't understand why. If I disable it, it should never show. Okay, it should never show. But it looks like it's showing itself. But maybe it's working, but it's just the visual, just the debugging of the body that make it look like it doesn't work, but it work. I don't know. I should test on another player. No, just strange. Wait a minute. And my lifespan of 1.5, and when I enable it, does it make the collision correct after that? Does it look like it never disable the collision? Okay. So now okay. And then okay. And then it's happy in the correct place. But by disable it, I don't know if it's just a visual effect or not. I don't know. I think it's just a visual effect. I need to test on another player, but I don't have my single player activated now. So yeah, this is my next refactor, is make it work for the single player and for the multiplayer. I right now I'm not sure it's working or not. I cannot test it. Maybe I can test it rapidly, I don't know. Yeah, but I don't have my player AI. It's empty. Just yeah, remove them. That's annoying. I don't know. Cannot test it right now. Hey, I just finished the refactors and I just finished it. Maybe I'm going to have to debug it later. Uh, okay, maybe I'm going to refactor it later. What's happen if I have a tick? So tick is like it's doing damage. It's doing an effect every 0.5 seconds. Yeah, but that's different also. Because the thing with my stick is when I have an action on collision, I cannot kill it anymore. The killing you need to be smarter than that. So, for example, block with delay. So I don't have any of them. Block with tick. Okay. My flame projectile. I don't know if it's there. Yeah, I do. Um, so I do have it. Yeah, I do have it. Is it flame projectile? So if lifespan, tick. That's strange. Shouldn't. Ah, yeah. Okay. So yeah, action of collision, but my action of collision. Yeah, it should always be that actually. So I always the itat player, yeah. This is the basic code. It's look like it's look if it's yeah, it's look if it's active, but technically I don't have to look at that anymore. That's the whole point of my body existing or not. But I also need a logic here. there is a timer. So, okay, I have my own timer E. So I'm doing collision every time. And I'm decide to do something, also it player hits. So my action collision going to be a mix of these things. Yeah, it's a thing I need like something like a boolean, you know. I need something like that. I need something like that. I was checking if it's already hit it. Why I need to do that? Ah yeah, because can hit several player. And it's still, yeah, but that's the thing. It's still, it's not like, yeah. So maybe I need three different collision because it's still visible. So I need three different way. I need ones that die when there is a collision. I need ones that that track who was hitted, and I need another one that can do that track a timer. Yeah, that's more complicated I was expected because I don't know which condition make it. Yeah, but that's maybe I still need the class name. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, but for example, if I want something that a bullet that moving, but that doing multiple damage, like you know, it's moving slowly and it's not killing when there is a collision. It can do multiple damage. So I have, yeah, I have the yeah. So oh my god, this is more complicated than I thought. It should be explicit, you know. It should have like on collision behavior or on collision behavior after collision, you know. Die, tick, and track other. Oh, single is one. Yeah, single, die, and multiple. But you know, multiple cannot work. The multiple only makes sense with a tick. Otherwise, if a multiple has no tick, it will do it every single second. Does that make absolutely no sense? But it should be explicit. It should be like collision behavior or something like that. Die after collide. Maybe I put really like obvious name, you know, die after collide. Track. Yeah, single collide with tracking. And multi collide without tracking. I don't know. It should be explicit. Test here, what the fuck. So I should have like... Yeah. But it's just a class name, I don't need... It will replace my class name here. Why is my projectile template? My projectile base don't need a class name? I don't know why. It's because I don't know why. That looks strange to me. The type looks strange to me. Yeah, but I don't need. It could be a projectile base. It will work. Why did I do that? Did I did that? I don't remember. I don't remember. Use the projectile model here. Because I need the from group. Where is it used? It's for my server. I know it's used for my server, this one. It's never used. No? No, it looks like it's never used. Yeah, that's strange. Yeah, but it's like it's explicit somewhere else. Oh man, I don't know why I did that. Yeah, I need to change that also. So much things to do. The difference is the template has a name. The model don't. Yeah, okay, I see why I did that. Because the model don't have a name. Yeah, but I could just have the name. It doesn't really matter. I already have the name. Hmm. Hmm. Wait a minute. Okay, I see. I see what I did. No, no, no. That makes sense. That makes sense. Template is my configuration. It's, I never create object with that. It's just my config. That's why I split this thing. And the name is just it. Yeah, the name is complete. The thing is, the name is different, you know, because my bullet, the name of my bullet is really a string. It's like when I'm doing set or creating it, I'm sending the name, but it's really not the projectile template name. It's completely different. That's why it makes sense. The thing is, they are sharing everything. The projectile base is not used anyway. Yeah. Oh no, that's not bad. That's not bad. Thing is, I don't need this inside. Yeah, I don't need this inside. I need, yeah, I need an object like that, you know. Behavior, uh, colliding behavior. Um, Kill after, uh, single with tracking. Yeah, maybe just single. No, that kill single and multiple. Yeah, that's strange also, it's on my projectile. Okay. Thing is strange that I cannot reuse like one of my projectile with different configuration. You know, it's not like, yeah, I need to. Yeah, also the other strange things with that is that when I have, yeah, when I have an abilities, the behavior of the abilities is uh, the code of the behavior or the configuration of the behavior is not inside my abilities. It's inside the projectile that is track. If it's track one. Okay, that's not that bad. It's not that bad. No, it's not that bad. It's better than having 10,000 condition of knowing if trigger after is undefined or all of that for the behavior of the collision. I think it's better this way. So now I need colliding behavior. Heal. Heal. Oh, shit. Come back! You come back! He's coming back. I can get rid of the class name. Get rid of that also. Class name, go away. Go away. Up. Class name, go away. Behavior. Fire projectile, also the same. And so now the block with tick going to be a multiple. I don't like this name multiple, it's not obvious what it does. Yeah, I don't like the name actually. Yeah, it's because I know what it does, and for me it makes sense to have this simple name. But maybe like in 3 months I will say, "Oh my god, single and multiple, it's so bad." I don't know. Because my code is going to work. If I put, for example, a bullet with multiple, it will work. It will work, and it will it will do a collision every frame. That's bad. So maybe I need a default tick. I need a default tick. Also, tick is a terrible name. If you think about it, I can get rid of tick because my colliding behavior with the multip is closely related to the tick. If I don't have tick, it makes no sense. Mm, I don't know. I don't know. I don't like tick. I don't like the names that I give. Collide behavior killed. Yeah, I, 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 I don't know. I think the name are not that bad actually. Because kill, what's happened when it collides kill? What's happened when it's collide single? Yeah, single is so bad. Kill is not that bad, but single is bad. Single. Yeah, because I need to track which object when I'm single. No, I need. to go after now. I need to track. I have some way I have from object here. This method player ID. Collects with no single player. Maybe it's more obvious. But no, it's actually it's not single player. It's multiplayer. Multiplayer once and multiplayer multiplayer several times. Oh yeah, but the name are. But it's not saying what it does after the collision. It's saying when the object is dead after the collision. That's what it said. It's more like die after die after time and die after. Yeah, but it's not. Yeah, but it's doing both. Because the multip, it's not dying after something. Yeah, that's different. Maybe I need two objects to. Ah, that's. Yeah, there's a difference between when it's dying and what it does. How many times it does it. I don't know how to name it correctly. I really don't know. Ah, I don't know. I don't know. I really. I'm stuck with the name. It's because the model don't make a lot of sense. I feel like it's the less worse, it's that, but it's still horrible. It's still horrible. Really horrible. Why are you red? Ah, get the type. Kill single, okay. Let's go for that. Let's go for that. Multip. Okay. Okay, so now yeah, the stick is don't make sense inside the fire. Make no change. Is trigger after and is piece makes sense. But the is sticking makes yeah it's also this thing. No, this thing make absolutely sense. So all this code make absolutely sense. No, I just need to fill the action on collision with the different possibility. I need a switch case actually. Remove the class name. Okay. Kill is the most simple one. Single and the multiple. Okay. For the kill. The kill. It's still doing the damage and it's doing the effect. Axon and collision. So that's where I need to track this. I really need to track these things. Yeah, not for this one, but why am I doing something that complicated? Oh yeah. Yeah, I changed that. Yeah. No, I'm only doing that, but that's not. Yeah, is that enough? Is that enough? Feel like it's enough for my kill. For my single, it's a bit similar. But it's never killing it. So this code is correct for my single. For the multiple, it's going to be more complicated. I just need. I need this string also. Why I have a kill on it? I don't use it. Okay, so just take a look at it. So if the inside my projectile I'm tracking who's got it. So I receive the collision. I'm hitting for the player has a hit function. I'm sending the damage of the bullet and the effect. That's correct. And then I put it inside into a set. So I'm not doing it another time for the same object. So yes, that's perfectly fine. Now I just need the multiple. Yeah, the multiple. So that's what does the multiple. I have a timer. I'm tracking the timer, tick timer. So I have a, when I fire the bullets, I need to to start to track a timer. Yeah, okay, I see what I... Maybe there is a smarter way to do that. Maybe there is. But the smarter way is to have like the things that it's collide. It's like a yo-yo, you know? Maybe it should be a twin or yo-yo twin. Well, the yo-yo twin that disable the body and enable the body and disable the body and enable the body for a period of time. And just do tick, tick, tick. Yeah, it's not on collision anymore, that's the things. Yeah, maybe I have, yeah, maybe I have a timer for it. Yeah, but sometimes it doesn't have a timer, you know, the tick timer. Maybe it should have a default tick timer. If I have a default tick timer in my projectiles, would make the thing easy. You know, on my constructor, I need to say projectile template, tick timer, and if it's undefined for the tick, I put it a default timer inside it. So I can have multiple that's working with like bullets that don't have timer. I feel the tick timer should always be 0. Yeah, I don't know if it'll want to track it inside my projectile. Can I use can I use a timer? Use a time event for that. I don't know. But yeah, I think I can use a time event. You know, I feel like I could just have a yo-yo for that with a tick timer. You know, if it's not undefined, and really what it does is that it disable and re-enable. It's doing the same thing actually. It's not doing any of that. Just a linear yo-yo that. I'm wondering something about that. If I'm if I'm adding a tween inside my is-trigger after. No, because it's not a yo-yo, I don't need to remove it myself. It's removed after the duration is removed. But if I have a yo-yo, I need it's like an infinite tween, and I need to say, okay, when you die, I need to I need to have a function like another timer that removes this one. Like inside it. Rather than if kill, I need to check a yo-yo tween with the tick and remove it. It seemed like it's more complicated than just tracking inside the collision. I don't know. I know that tracking with the collision is going to be really fast to implement. I just have two variables that's going to be useless for other class, but Oh, what? I'm doing the collision. I'm tracking the inside the collision. I know it make less sense, but it's easy to implement and yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I'm doing that. Okay. So I need a tick and a tick timer. Number. It's a number. The tick timer is projectile template. Tick is a terrible name, but I keep it. Tick, or I'm doing a tick for, I don't know, 0.2 is going to be my default tick. Maybe I'll put it into const. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, okay, just. Maybe I need a smarter config. I need to track the scene with my config. Yeah. Okay, it's perfectly fine here. Maybe I should actually. Because I did it for the other object, so maybe I should have projectile and default. But that's the only one I have. Well, this one's going to be in my object, so no. Maybe I should have. I think my projectile says two objects that not really related. Maybe I should have two classes, you know, projectile and projectile. Because they really split it. I don't have configurations. Yeah, I have this configuration. The initial that I want. Maybe I don't want to track it also. No, okay. No, makes sense. Tick default. Default config. Default. Yeah, but also, yeah, because my health, yeah, it's not default because it's always the same. Late should be default, yeah, I think. Should be the default tick, but Okay. My tick timer 0. So I need, yeah, I still need to start it when I fire. You think on my activated? It's only user. It's used twice. Kill is weird. Yeah, the kills deactivated it. Now it makes sense. I don't know. I don't know, it's weird. But yeah, I need it because I recycle it. Actually, I need both. You know, I need. Yeah, no, I don't need to reset it when it's killed. Just need to do it there. But this dot tick after type timer. Okay. Yeah, that seems correct to me. So when it's activated, I have my timer, and if it's multip, it goes there. It's when there is a collision. It's yeah, no, something is strange. Yeah, no, it makes sense. Because it's the timer is only increase when it's hit, you know. Tick timer is greater than this tick. Something is strange. Because with this technique, the first hit is not going to hit. It's going to the timer loop and it's not going to hit. Maybe that's what I wanted. Maybe the setting is yeah okay that's okay I understand what I did. I put the third timer um, with the tick, so it's already yeah okay I understand what I did. So need to be and that it reset to 0. Okay. This tick. Yeah, tick is a terrible name, but because you don't really know it's a constant, you know. If I just did like tick after milliseconds, that will make so much. Tick after seconds will make so much more sense. Just tick after. Yeah, I don't know what I'm going to refactor that. So if I'm doing pick after and pick after, okay, and default tick after. Okay. What's wrong with that? Pick after. Yeah, what's wrong? It's a number. I don't know. I don't know what's wrong. That's correct. Okay. Well, that's it. That's it. I can remove all this code now. Okay. Hmm. And 19. Yeah, okay. Oh no. What's wrong with that? There's a projectile? Oh yeah. Yeah, I don't have this item. Okay. No, it's correct. Dot, projectile template. Effects. Where is the width? No, is this tool difference here? No. I'm okay about repeating it. Okay. Yeah. I hope it's... Yeah, the collision... I don't know if it's... I need to test with another player. So hopefully it's work, but maybe it doesn't. Yeah, this one's working because there is no delay. I don't know if it's triggered. I cannot collide with myself, okay. Okay, that's it for today. Yeah, this is way... Yeah, it's way better than before. Okay.